Vinegar making, an age-old tradition, begins in the fields. Here, nature's vibrant harvest provides the foundation for flavor. The fruit is pressed, releasing its lush juice, the very essence of the land. Through careful fermentation, sugars transform, creating depth and character. In time, the liquid refines into vinegar, bold, balanced, and timeless. Every drop is bottled with care, carrying forward generations of craft. From field to table, Sparrow Lane vinegars bring a refined touch to every dish. Sparrow Lane vinegars, artisan flavors from California, where every ingredient matters.